Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to create a flyers in Canva. So first of all, we go to templates and maybe just think of the genre of the flyers you want to do, whether it's for social media, for projects, for students, for marketing, or such many more. So here we just search for flyers. Then here from the flyers page, we will just check what do you need, let's say for a travel agency, for marketing, for a blog, for a post, or many more. So here that we can see there are a lot of flyers here, right? So there's a lot of templates that you can choose from. So maybe just choose the one that suits you well. So maybe like let's say that we want a flyer for a travel agency. So we can just press this explore Istanbul, then choose whatever size you want and press customize this template. Upon customizing this template, you can also edit already. So let's say that first of all you edit this to your real contact number. Let's say 95094. There we go. Then here you can change the fonts if you want to, let's say, better font. Then we can just put an effects as well, echo, so that it looks way better. Here as well, you can change the images. So let's just say instead of Istanbul, press explore Japan. Just go here, put the photo of Japan in the background. There we go. Then maybe Japan tourist spots. Just put it here. So maybe just put this, and put this. So that's how easy it, and maybe just put your website www.emgtravels.com. So for example, this is your flyer. So it would look like something this. So afterwards, we just press share and download. And now we can post it to whatever social media site you want, or marketing website that you want, or just print it out and show it to everybody. So once again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell button for more kind of tips and tricks to come. Once again, thank you for watching.